Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video I bring some beautiful collection of unique seashell handmade DIY jewelry ideas that you can create these easy made seashell craft ideas converted into different jewelry ornaments. By creating these ideas you can wear it with your different casual or formal day-to-day routine dressing ideas to make more unique ideas and look more representable. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest unique craft ideas of seashell jewelry ideas to create these handmade jewelry items more easily and uniquely. You can create different pendants with these seashell jewelry ideas, or combining with some different pearls or designs. You can create some unique creative ideas to make your jewelry ideas more beautiful by combining it with your different colorful dressing ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas by combining it with your different routine jewelry wearing ideas, or some formal wearing ideas can also be created. Like if you want to arrange a destination wedding for you, you can create different beach theme ideas, or you can create these sort of jewelry ideas to wear on your wedding days. Also you can create seashell crown for your wedding day to be wear on this special day. You can create it yourself by adding some time and unique concepts or creative ideas that you like the most to look more beautiful on your special day. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas or collections, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.